legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
For day 17, I would say now it is time to reflect. Now for step 16 or day 16, I told you to practice investing on your practice app. On day 17, I want you to reflect on the successes and the failures. There is almost nothing more important than reflection. When you have some losses, or even if you're having gains, just take a break and think about why you got those things or got those results, and use that time to reflect on ways to improve. Even if you made money, let's say you made $5 trading, reflect on how you can make that $5 $10 or $50 even. So I would say for day 17, it's time for reflection.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be